Assalamu alaikum class everyone. So today we are going to start our maths lesson. That is this is unit number 1, which is on page number 4. First of all, open page number 4. On this page we are going to read about large numbers. This is unit number 1. Unit number 1 about larger numbers. We are going to learn about 4 and 5 digit numbers. Now I'm going to tell you the example of large numbers with we have a value with 4 or 5 digits. So I'm going to write any 4 values which contain 4 and 5 digits. The first one is 2814, and second one I'm going to write 5104. Third one is 3011, and the next one is 3926. Now, how we are going to read these values? I'm going to tell you how we are going to read these values. So, whenever these numbers all have 4 digits, this shows that they are all in the thousands, and has 4 or 5 digits. So you can see there are 4 values containing how many digits? 4 digits. Now I'm going to write 5 digit value: 2, 1, 3, 9 and 4. How we are going to read this value? Whenever we are trying to read the value, we start from the right side. We read from the right side. So in the last from the right side, you can see there is 4, and it is placed on unit. It is placed on unit. We have how many units? We have 4 units, and the next one is we have what? We have tenth value, and in a tenth value we have 9. What we have? We have 9. After 9 we have what? 3. It is on which place? It is on hundreds place. Hundreds place. So on hundreds we have what? We have 3. And then the turn of 1. After 100 we read it 1000. In a thousands place we have which digit? We have 1. Then after 1000, the next value is 10,000, and on 10,000 we have which value? We have 2. So how we will read it? Again I'm going to tell you again. We start reading our value from the right side. In the unit we have 4. In a 10 we have 9. And then the next one is hundreds, which we have 3. Then 1, it is on thousands place, and then 2, it is on 10,000 place. So this value is 21,394. It is 20 1,394. So you learn how we read the values, maths values. Okay. Now I'm going to start our question number 1. In question number 1, what we will do, question number 1, that is, these arrows cards shows the value of each digit. These arrows cards shows the value of each digit. Now what we have to do is, I'm going to write our question. The first one you can see in a in a 10,000 we have how many zeros we have. In 10,000 we have 4 zeros, and in 1,000 how many zeros we have? We have 3 zeros. In a 100 we have 2 zeros, and in 10 value we have 1 zero. And in a unit we have only a one value. So you can see they write first 40,000. 40,000 mean first we write 40, then 1,000. How many zeros in 1,000? There are 3 zeros in a 10,000. So the next value is in 1,000. So we have 7,000. So how many zeros we have in 1,000? We have 3 zeros in a 1,000. So now the next one is, we have after 1,000 we have 100 value, that we have 100. After 100, 10th value comes, that is 50. And after 50 we have only unit, and in a unit we have only a single value, that is 9. So how we are going to write it by combining it? So the answer is 447,159. You can see 4 comes under the 4, and 7 comes under the 7, 1 comes under the 1, and 5 comes under the 5, and you can see in the unit A comes under the unit. So what we get, how we write the value of this, that is 47,159. So you can do all the parts of question number 1 by yourself, that is your diary. Do parts of question number 1. Do parts of question number 1, A, B, C, and D by yourself on books. On book. Okay, fine. So now we are going to go on the next page. We are going to, that is now open Page number 5. Question number 2. That is, match the number sentences with the correct number. So in this one, what we will do, first we read our A part. In a A part, they write approximately 2,200 people visited the museum on its opening day. So I'm going to read it again. Approximately 2,200 people visited the museum on its opening day. And now you can see in a yellow box, they give you the values there. You have to find which one which one we are going to match with it. The third one is 2540. Okay, we are going to read the values, what it is. How we read the values? First, the first value is unit. The second one is tenth, tenths, then hundreds, then thousands. So we can, if we write these alphabets on our digits, then we can read our values easily. So how we are going to read these values? The first one is, we are going to read how many units we have. In the first value, we have 4 units and tens, 3, 100, 7 and 1000, 1. So the value is 1734. The second value is 2200. The third one is 2450. So again, we are going to go on part A, what they are asking about. We have to match it with the perfect value. Approximately 2,200 people visited the museum on its opening day. The value is 2,200. So in the last box, you can see the first one is 1,000. It's mean it is wrong. We are not going to match with it. The second one is, we need, the first we need 2,200. So first we have to find the digit 2. The first one is wrong option. So we are not going to match with this one. The second one is 2,200. So it satisfies us. So we are going to match by using the scale and pencil, match A1 with this. The third one is 2450. It is not matched with it. So the middle one option is right. We matched it with the help of scale and pencil. Now kindly write your diaries. I'm going to do question number 1. Do page number 1. Sorry, page number 4. Do page number 4 on book. And also do question number 2 of page number 5 on book.